was a bite. Gosh. Ooh. Dadgummit. For a while there, I thought he had it because I couldn't feel the weight of the swim bait at all. Did see him swim off. Nice little bass. Oh yeah. I think no. I can't tell what he was doing with it. Playing with it. Dang it. Oh no. I didn't have the track tight. Why? Why are you so dumb? Gosh. Why are you a train wreck? It's the third bite of the day and I have no fish. That one's completely my fault. Gosh, why, you dummy? You dummy. Well, I'm glad I'm fishing in this area because I thought there'd be fish here because I came out last night and walked the bank. So there are fish here. Well, there went. God, that was a tank right there. Whoa! Oh, it's a striper. Dang it. I just thought it was a big bass. Hoop. So figured those would be striper because they're over like 80 feet, 100 feet of water. right now. Shot. Yeah, that's a good size. I mean, it's a good size fish. It's just not a bass. Am I even recording? Yeah, I am. Ooh, those might be bass. Dang it. This is a, how big is this one? Haven't seen him yet. About the same size as that other one. Oh, this one's actually even a little smaller. Come here, dingus. I gotta go see if those are bass. Give me my bait back. Ooh, he wanted it. Interesting. I don't think I've ever had one smash it like that. Oh gosh. Dude. All right. Yeah, I think the other one might have been a little stouter. I'm gonna see if those shallower ones are. There's a lot of bait out here. Somewhere. Come on, be bass. How far out is that? Ooh, dude, we're going over there. All the way out of the water. They're getting out of the water. Dude, I didn't even have to do anything. They just got it off the top. Good. Check it, see if I'm still recording or not. I feel like these are also striper though, just based off how this one's fighting. No, it's a good spot. Dude just ate it off the top. Pretty spot. What a pretty fish. I thought those were bass because they were getting all the way out of the water. going bananas. All I had to do was cast it over there. Just ate it off the top, didn't even work it. Pretty spot. Oh, right into the sun.